Hello teacher, we are Croissant Salmon Group or TG1. Today we are going to present about authentic and transformational leadership and innovative work behavior in the topic of the moderating role of psychological empowerment.
Introduction. Innovation is a crucial factor for organizational success. The researcher identified leadership as one of the most important factors affecting creativity and innovativeness. Innovate at organizational and country level is a crucial factor for social and economic growth. To better understand this phenomenon, we are guided by the overarching theoretical framework of creative knowledge development, or CKE. CKE are those environments, the characteristics of which are such that they exert a positive influence on human beings engaged in creative work, aiming to produce new knowledge or innovation. The objective of this research is to contribute to the existing scientific discussion on the authentic and transformational leadership and their interactive role in stimulating innovative work behavior, specifically by understanding the moderating role of psychological empowerment. The research question of our study is how psychological empowerment moderates the relationship between A. Authentic and B. Transformational leadership and innovative work behavior.
Literature review and research model development. Leaders are recognized by researchers as one of the key factors in fusion creative behavior and innovation, believing that organizing innovation remains one of the most important challenges for the category of contemporary leader. Johnson innovation refers to 1. Change in products, 2. Change in the use of product, 3. Change in the market that use the product, 4. Changing the way the product is developed and delivered, 5. Change the business model. Next. The indirect relationship between leadership and innovative work behavior. Thomas and Wiltott and Spicer explain that motivation-based empowerment is defined by 4 dimensions. 1. Important, 2. Ability, 3. Impact, 4. Self-confidence.
And the next topic is methodologies, the case study approach. The single case study is one of the more common approaches relevant when the researcher wants to gain a deeper understanding of the research context and processes. Mixed method approach, which in the case study, the mixed method approach is applied as according to Mumford 2011. A variety of research methods are required to understand the complexity of leader performance and its impact on various aspects of society. Sample and data collection for the quantitative study using confirmatory factor analysis or CFA in the at most 20 programs. The average variance exact or AVE value was calculated and combined with the common variance of both structures.
And this is measuring instrument. It is 5 subtopics. The qualitative component of the research contains analysis of the provide interviews was selected as the most appropriate method to analyze the data to allow understanding of its context, or Basel and Coley 2012.
The next topic, discussion. Empirical evidence of the relationship between transformational leadership and innovative work behavior is scarce and inconsistent, it's important to note the combination of qualitative and quantitative research. The next topic, theoretical contribution. The first, to the innovative work behavior literature is related to our evidence that such an approach not only enables us to understand a full spectrum of the moderating role psychological. The second is an authentic and transformational leadership theories when leaders were less involved in supervising such leadership behavior enable the employees to feel respect and autonomously motivate. The third, the company is structured in project teams and environment is less sensitive to leadership as employees who work no more teams in different countries and with different leaders.
The fourth, the results of our survey show a significant overlap between objective and transformational leadership construct, which represents important factor in the emergence of objective leadership. The fifth, our study goes beyond the observations of the importance of leadership theory by demonstrating how psychological empowerment stimulates the innovative outcomes at the individual level. Conclusion. The analysis of the factors impacting the innovative work behavior which is necessary to identify and investigate more mediator and moderator is helping to clarify the relationship between leadership and innovative work behavior.
And this is group members. Thank you for your attention.